Capo risky.
You be giving back to the community and shit.
Hell yeah, I got to get back to the churches. Going to the churches for sure.
I applaud you for your attempt.
My attempt to do what? I ain't attempting to do a motherfucking thing. Attempt mean I'm trying. Now I'm doing. Fuck is you talking about?
All right, so what'd you do?
I do a lot on Carter Grave. I make sure the trenches is good on Carter Grave.
You passed out hot sandwiches or some shit?
Fuck, that was, yep, with Golden Child. I done passed out motherfucking turkeys on Carter Grave. I done passed out coats on my soul. I done passed out toys to the Children's Hospital
Coats and
on
toys,
Carter Grave, huh?
Coats and toys, we going somewhere.
You feel me? I did some shit and I did it by myself. You hear me? With my community. I'm a pillar in my community. As Sis said, on my soul, don't do, hey, look, Carter Grave. I'm outstanding member.
I applaud.
I don't need no applaud. Just don't get it fucking twisted.
No, I was going to talk to you about the little wave that's going on with people passing out food and shit.
You talk about Young Will and Golden Child. Ain't no little way. That's a big motherfucker wave. Big unity on Folks Now Grave. The biggest wave.
I
What's
respect
about
it.
It's brother now.
The people that call them to do the interviews, to do the pass outs, I feel like we in Chicago, and to be a little bit more effective in the community, like you did, like you said, you passed out coats, it's 1 degree outside. A slice of pizza versus some gloves. You feel what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. What you saying?
A hot plate versus a...
You saying they should be out giving out different supplies other than food?
100%.
How about they giving out what they can with what they got?
And they doing better than most. Better than
they doing
the majority.
On
That's why I can't. That's why I don't knock. That's why I don't
it's like you can't knock it, because at the end of the day,
I can't never knock nobody.
Especially if the motherfucker not doing nothing. You feel me? Like motherfuckers at least trying to do something. Like we started somewhere. Motherfuckers still got their own businesses. Their own business, their own kids. You feel me? Like this shit don't cost money. A lot of these restaurants is like real famous. The dude who did the gourmet sandwiches for my documentary, like you feel me? He did that shit off the muscle. You feel me? Like he had to still go make all the motherfucking sandwiches shit. He ain't getting no profit from that. So it's just all us coming together and pulling whatever little resources we got together. I just happen to be in the type of situation where I had a motherfucker that's like, man, they see what I'm doing, so hey, I got this going on. Hey, I'm doing coats. Hey, I give you some turkeys. I got some turkeys left over. I'm just plugged, and I'm the type of motherfucker, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna stand out in the cold to get this shit back. But you feel me? I appreciate what brother and I'm doing. We starting somewhere.